Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix archived stories not missing or not working on Instagram. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, open our profile, clicking on the little profile button in the bottom right corner, and here from our profile we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner to see settings and activity. And here, if we scroll down a little bit, we will see a section called how you use Instagram, and the second option is archive. Click on it, and here basically you will see all your archived stories. But if you do not see anything here, the first solution I'll have for you is you need to simply click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Click on the settings. And here, the first step is you need to disable option called Save Story to Archive. So disable this option for like 10 or 15 minutes, refresh Instagram, so close it completely, then go back and refresh that page, or simply go back and open it once again, and then check if everything is fine or not. It helped me, so as you can see, archive stories are working in my case, but you can also go to settings once again and turn on this option again. If this didn't work, the next solution I'll have to you is you need to close Instagram and then go to the settings on your device. Here you need to scroll down a little bit until you will find general with a little gear icon. Click on it. Now go to iPhone storage, and here you will see the list of applications installed on your device. Here you need to scroll down and find Instagram. Here it is. Click on it, and now go and upload this app. So by uploading the app, we will delete the cache of this application, because cache may be the reason why we get this type of problem. So click on upload app, confirm the action clicking on upload app again, and then reinstall this application from the same screen. And when everything is done, go back to Instagram and check if everything is fine or not. And basically that is it. That is how you can fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.